In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets, a masterclass designed specifically for beginners. If you're new to Google Sheets or simply want to enhance your skills, this tutorial will walk you through the process with clarity and precision. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets application. If you're not familiar with how to navigate there, simply launch your preferred web browser and type in Google Sheets into the search bar. Click on the official link, and if prompted, log into your Google account. Once you're greeted by the Google Sheets homepage, click on +blank to open a new, empty sheet. Now that you have your sheet open, let's start by selecting a cell. For practice, click on any cell in your spreadsheet to ensure you're comfortable with selecting cells. The cell will be highlighted, which indicates it has been selected successfully. Next, we'll proceed to select a range of cells from A1 to A5. Hover your cursor over cell A1, click and hold, then drag down to cell A5. You'll notice that these cells become highlighted, signifying your selection is complete. This selection is essential for our next actions, so make sure only the cells you intend to select are highlighted. With the cells A1 to A5 selected, let's click on the Merge Cells button, which you can find in the toolbar at the top. This tool allows us to combine our selected cells into a single cell. After clicking, a small menu will appear with different merging options. For this example, select Merge Vertically. This action will merge your selected cells into one continuous cell spanning the A1 to A5 column. Let's shift our focus now over to column E. Click on cell E2, and then, just like before, click and drag across to M2. This time, you're creating a horizontal selection. You'll see these cells highlighted, ready for the next step. Go back to the Merge Cells button in the toolbar, give it a click, and once again, a list of merging options will appear. This time, choose Merge Horizontally. This choice merges your selection from E2 to M2 into one long cell, perfect for creating titles or headers that span multiple columns. And there you have it. You've learned the essential methods for merging cells vertically and horizontally in Google Sheets. This technique not only helps in better organizing your data, but also enhances the way it's presented. Now you can cleanly lay out your spreadsheets with well-defined sections or headings. Practice these steps a few times to get a feel for it, and soon, merging cells will become second nature in your spreadsheet creation process. Thanks for following along, and happy spreadsheeting.